Hello Cyber Team. Today we will talk about how to easily transfer files from your smartphone to your PC or laptop using Wi-Fi. This process can save you a lot of time and effort. Let's get started and go through how to do it step by step. On your smartphone, open the Play Store. In the search bar, find the CX File Explorer application and install it. After installing the application, open it and you will see three main tabs: Local, Library and Network. Choose Network tab and click on Access From. To open access to your phone's files, click Start Service button. Now we can see the IP address which allows us to connect to your phone, as well as login information, username and password. The next step, on the desktop, we need to open this PC shortcut and then in the location line enter the IP address that we saw earlier. If you don't have this PC shortcut, you can use any folder on your desktop or create a new one to complete this step. Check again that everything is correctly and press the Enter button. As you can see, the next step, we need to enter username and password which our application automatically generated for us earlier. Make sure the data entered is correctly and press the Enter button. Congratulations Cyber Team! Now we have full access to all the files on our smartphone. We can view any files from the phone by opening them and play them, and we can also download them to our PC or laptop by simply dragging them to the desktop. And finally Cyber Team, if you like my desktop animation with these beautiful multicolor blurry paints, you can go to the next video that will appear above. I want to thank everyone for watching this video. And I also want to recommend that you subscribe to my channel so you do not miss any further tutorials videos. Thank you and see you next time.